If you want to make a VHS effect in CapCut, this video is going to walk you through it step by step in a really quick and easy way. This is a great effect if you want to give your video the old-school retro look, like it was recorded on an actual VHS tape. It can make your edits feel more nostalgic, more creative, and honestly, a lot more eye-catching. If this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more CapCut editing tips. Alright, let's jump right in. First, open your project in CapCut PC. Once you're inside CapCut, make sure your project is already loaded so you can work directly on the edit. If you haven't added your clip yet, go ahead and bring your video into the timeline first. This is important because the effect needs to sit on top of your footage. After your video is on the timeline, look at the top panel and click on Effects. This is where CapCut keeps all of its visual effects, filters, and style overlays. Once the Effects panel opens, use the search bar and type in VHS. CapCut should now show you a list of VHS style effects that you can use on your video. Take a moment to browse through the options and choose the one that best matches the look you want. Some VHS effects may be stronger, more distorted, or more colorful than others, so pick the one that fits your edit. When you find the effect you like, simply drag it onto the timeline and place it above your video clip. That part is important because the effect needs to sit on a track above the footage in order to apply correctly. Once it's in place, you should immediately see the VHS look added to your video. From there, you can preview the clip and see how the effect changes the overall style. If it feels too intense or not quite right, you can usually adjust the length of the effect so it covers only the part of the video you want. You can also move it along the timeline if you want the VHS look to start later, or appear only in certain sections. This is a really simple way to make your edits feel more professional and more stylized without needing advanced editing skills. And that's it. You now know how to make a VHS effect in CapCut PC in just a few steps. If this tutorial helped, please give it a like, subscribe for more easy editing guides, and let me know in the comments what CapCut effect you want to learn next.